morning all. How are you? Hope you enjoy your vacation. Today we are going to discuss new lesson, birds and animals. Before that, can I ask one question? Do you have pets or do you like pets? Today I will show you my pets. Okay? This is my pet. Do you like this? I like my pet very much. Okay, can I ask one question? Is it a bird or animal? Yes, it's a bird. So today we are going to discuss features of birds. Okay, so are you ready?
Dear children, now we are going to see the features of a bird. Features means what is special in their body structure. You know the features of a bird, right? What is special about a bird? Yes, it has got feathers. So, birds are feathered animals. It has got wings to fly. It has got beaks to pick food. And they are having legs which help them to walk or run. There are different types of birds. Some birds are very small and some are very big. Some birds can fly very high, some birds cannot fly. Now we are going to see some birds that cannot fly. This is a kiwi. It cannot fly. This is an ostrich. It is the largest bird in the world. It cannot fly, but look how fast it runs. These are penguins. They cannot fly, but they use their wings to swim. There are some other birds too that can swim in water. They are called water birds. Duck is also a water bird because it can swim in water. Another water bird is albatross. Now, you know that we get eggs from some birds. Can you name some birds that give us eggs? Hen, duck, quail. Some birds are kept at our homes. They are called pet birds. For example, parrot, pigeon, lovebirds, etc. Now let's see what birds eat. Birds eat different things like grains, fruits, worms, insects, fish, etc. We know that birds make different sounds. Their sound is known as chirp. Now let's listen to some bird sounds. The sound of a sparrow is called tweet. The sound of a cock is crow. The sound of hens is cluck. The sound of crows is cow. The sound of pigeons is coo. The sound of owl is hoot.